To generate a Teams link on Moodle, I do as follows. Click the My Courses option, go to your course. On the left-hand side, you'll have your content links. Click on the one where you would like to insert your Teams link. In this case, I have a heading here called Streaming Links. I'm going to click on that and it brings up my content area. I'm scrolling down to the bottom to edit the section. I'm now going to insert a heading. I now locate the Teams integration, the plugin over here, and I click on it. A Microsoft Teams plugin window comes up and I need to say sign in if I'm not already signed in. It now gives me the option to create a meeting link. I can give my meeting a title. I just need to set the date and time. I can either manually type over here or I can click on it to bring up a drop-down menu whereby I can now choose the date for my class. I can also manually type over here for the time, or I can just use the drop-down menu and then click on the appropriate time for the class. Once I've done this, I can now choose if I want it to open in a new window. That means that when the students click on the link, it'll open another window, which will then take them to the Teams app. So in this case, I'm going to say open meeting in a new window and I'm going to say create. I must wait for this to end. If I'm impatient and I don't wait for this tick, it won't work. So once I see this tick, I can say add link. It has now inserted the clickable Teams link. I can say save changes. I now have the link which the students can just click and it will take them to their Teams meeting. Thanks for watching and cheers.